Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial we're making a fun 3-tier Valentine's Day style cake with the challenge in mind, hearts on every tier. I have an 8-inch, a 6-inch and a 4-inch cake that I'm working with. Mine have already been crumb coated, and here I'm just applying a final layer of frosting in buttercream tinted red with gel food colour. Once you've finished clearing off the sides and the top, pop it into the fridge to set completely. In the meantime, you can cut out your fondant decorations so they have time to kind of settle a little bit. I have a nice big red heart and tinier white hearts as well. By giving these the opportunity to sit and rest, they harden a little bit and makes it a lot easier to apply onto your cake. They don't become flimsy and kind of stretch out of shape. I applied at the very top first, lined up the top of the love heart with the edge of the cake, and then I planted the last love heart directly underneath, and I don't mind if it doesn't fit because I'm just going to cut off that excess anyway. You could technically just use much smaller cutters, I just couldn't find any, so this is what I had to work with. Take some bubble tea straws or wooden dowels, plunge it into the cake in a triangular formation, so 3 of them in a triangle or a square even, you could use 4. And then cut them where the buttercream line sits, and that way you know it's directly flush with the top. Take a 6-inch cake, cover it in white frosting, and then use a tool to help pop dents or little holes into the side. This here will work as a little template to know where to place our love hearts. These were just little sprinkles that I had in white and in pink, but I just tossed them in a little bag with edible luster dust. Pop some bubble tea or paper straws into this one because it's not going to be supporting as heavy a weight. So just 3 will do. Cut flush at the top and then sticking all the tiers together with a little bit of buttercream. These have been sitting in the freezer so they're nice and set, only for about 20 or so minutes. Onto the 4-inch tier, I'm going to add some gold leaf first, and I'm avoiding the center, so my heart's going to go right in the middle and then around it will be the gold leaf. Stick your heart to the 4-inch cake tier with a little bit of water, and then I decided I wanted to incorporate some more gold in the cake. I went on to every second a love heart and added on some gold leaf there as well. To hide the seam at the base, you can take a number 32 piping tip and pipe a shell border. And that's it. Your 3-tier heart themed Valentine's Day cake is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It is super duper simple, but I think pretty effective when all the tiers are combined. If you enjoyed these tutorials, feel free to subscribe for more. We do upload 2 new videos every week. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.